Diego, no.
No.
Kareem Jackson had been the most improved player in this defense. He gave up all 3 plays on this drive. The long ball down the sideline to Nate Washington, the hit on the receiver, and then he's not able to make the tackle there on Delaney Walker. He makes the tackle. There's no touchdown on the play. And Kareem Jackson just not playing smart, not executing the plays on the field, but good throw from Locker over to Delaney.